Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials, update Snapchat, and sign in. Once done, toggle your phone's system dark mode because Snapchat respects some system themes. Now open Snapchat and go directly to your profile. Don't wander. Tap the gear icon to reach settings and look for display or app appearance. These first steps unlock the options you need. Follow them in order so the next. Deeper adjustments behave predictably and don't get blocked by version mismatches. You're now choosing the theme inside the app. If Snapchat shows an app appearance entry, tap it and pick dark. If there's a match system choice, use it so Snapchat follows your phone automatically. That's simpler long-term. On Android, enable Force Dark in developer options if Snapchat lacks a native setting. On iOS, rely on System Dark mode. If Snapchat hides the option, check experimental features or app flags. Those can reveal theme controls. Make sure to restart the app after changing settings to apply them fully. Finish by closing and reopening Snapchat so the new theme loads cleanly. If the dark theme doesn't appear, clear the app cache or reinstall Snapchat. That often resolves hidden conflicts. Make sure your OS and Snapchat versions are compatible because older systems sometimes ignore theme flags. If you still see a light interface, switch app appearance to match system, toggle system dark mode off and on, then relaunch Snapchat. Troubleshooting tip: backup login info before reinstalling to avoid sign-in friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.